Hi, welcome to Nova Area Tutoring. Today I'm going to take you through the advanced section of digital SAT math. This is the practice test through Khan Academy. Um, and we're going to look at lesson one, factoring quadratic and polynomial expressions advanced. And so if I look at the problem I have here, it gives me two binomials. The quantity ax plus 5 times the quantity x plus v has to equal ax squared plus 25x plus 25. And the question is, what is the value of a in the given equation? Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case here is I'm going to work with the left side and I'm going to multiply that out. I'm going to distribute that and I'm going to use what's traditionally known as the FOIL method. And I'm going to try to match that up with my right side. Okay, so in this case here, if I FOIL this, if I take the first term, I get ax times x, which is ax squared. Okay, the outers would be ax times v, so I'm just going to call that axv. The inner terms are going to be 5 times x when I multiply, so I get plus 5x. And then my last term is 5 times v, so it gives me 5v. Okay, and what we know from quadratics is that when we multiply this out, we know that the last term in here, the 25, is going to have to equal the 5v, okay? Because we always get our last term, our constant here, by multiplying the last numbers in the binomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set 5v equal to 25, and I'm going to get what v is first. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 5, and I get v equals 5. Okay, now that's going to help us because we know that our outers and inners are going to create this term here, the 25x. So I know that the ax times v plus 5x has to equal 25x. All right, so let's write that down. So we got ax v plus 5x. We know has to equal that middle term, 25x. Okay, good. All right, so I know that my v value is 5, so I'm going to plug in 5 for v. So I get ax times 5 plus 5x has to equal 25x. Okay? Well, in this case here, I know that I'm going to be able to figure out what the a value is. And if we look at our choices here, I can see that if I plug in a equal 4 in here, which is choice C, I'm going to get a 20x. I'm going to get 4 times x times 5. So I'm going to get 20x plus 5x has to equal 25x, which is going to be the a value that makes that true. So in this case here, the correct answer is choice C. So if we click on that, right. Okay, I will work on some other problems next. We'll continue with this section. Thanks for watching. It's Novi Area Tutoring.